Hello, good evening.
Hi, Junior. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mhm. All right, I see on your student profile it says you're Portuguese. You're brasileiro. Okay. Where
Yeah,
in Brazil are you?
so I am from São Paulo
Sao Paulo. Okay.
state. My city is Limeira.
Oh, now I got to go bring up the map. I'm a geography nerd, so I like to look at these things and see where people are. So,
Yes, I
uh,
saw that you know Portuguese.
that's using a strong word there.
Uh,
I've forgotten a lot. But yeah, so okay, you're in Sao Paulo. Okay. Okay, where?
yes,
Where are we? Where are we? North,
uh,
south,
I,
east, west?
you can find. I can spell the name of my city.
Okay.
Limeira.
Limeira. Okay. All right.
Yes,
How far from the center is it?
I think it's 2 hour drive. You can find São Paulo. It's you can give you more details from.
Okay.
I see São Paulo.
Uh-huh.
No, it's next São Paulo. It's 1 hour
More than an
far.
hour. Oh, so
One
this
hour and a half.
oh gosh. Okay, so it's a little bit of a
No,
drive.
Campinas, next Campinas. You know Campinas?
Okay. There's
Yeah.
Campinas.
Yes,
Okay.
go. You can see forward Sumaré.
Okay.
In the same, yes, next to the American,
Americana. Oh, there you are. There's Limeira.
Limeira. Yeah, that is my city. It's
Okay.
jewelry capital.
Okay. All right. Wow. 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 Okay.
This
Okay.
name, this
Mhm.
name Limeira comes from orange
Okay.
because in the beginning, so far,
Mhm.
it was orange capital.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Now
That's
I
cool.
know my history city.
Okay. That's awesome. That's very awesome. Okay.
So where you come from?
I live in Florida.
Yes.
So let me go do our. So you can guess by all that stuff there. That's that's our home is.
I
I live
have.
near Tampa. I live near Tampa. About
Do
an
you
hour away from Tampa.
do you know? Did you know Port Orange?
I did not.
Because I have a family of my friends. They live there in Port Orange, in
Okay.
Florida.
Okay. Yeah, it's a big state. It's like 500 miles from top to bottom and
Yeah.
about an hour or two across. So it's a big state. I live near south of Tampa and
Yeah.
yeah, Orange County is up here where Orlando is. Port Orange. Oh, let me see. Can I even find
Yes, I know. I know. I don't know the place where is it, but I know it's in the Florida state.
that? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go look for this Port Orange.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's find it. Where are you, Port Orange? Okay. All right. We are that is near Daytona Beach.
Yeah, it's so big. United States is so big. There is a lot of cities.
Mhm.
It's like my country, Brazil. We have a lot, 26 states. I'd say.
Mhm.
I don't know Brazil geographic. I I think called geographic. Let's see here. Geographical. I don't know Brazil geographical.
The geography. Geography.
Yeah,
Mhm. Yeah. Well, you know it to an extent. Everybody knows to an extent, but you can't know everything, perfectly.
yeah.
It's like I'm sure you know all the big places, Curitiba, Fortaleza,
Mm,
Recife, and so you know the big stuff,
no,
Assunção.
I don't. I know only two. are three states in Brazil: São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, and Minas Gerais. Just
Oh,
three states. I know better Europe than Brazil.
that's
Ah,
wrong. You need to travel.
I tell you, I know French, I know uh, Ireland, I know Spain, Italy, England, and Norway, Scotland, and German, a lot of place, but Brazil for me, it's a new place to know. Even I speak Portuguese, I needed to know it.
Oh, wow. Well, that's pretty amazing. That's a perfect thing that you can a perfect project that you can do is to learn more about your own home country. I mean, because it's so big and diverse. My goodness, you have so much you could learn. It's like three countries or four countries in one, if you want to look at it. I mean, look how big it is. You know,
That's true.
yeah, I mean, Uruguay, you could stick Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, and Peru in here and still have extra space. And throw
Yeah.
in Guyana.
Yes, exactly. I'd like to go to Chile,
Mhm.
one day to go to, let's see here, I don't know the name, let's see, mountain mountain range. Eh,
Okay.
let's see,
Yeah, let's see here.
Andes mountain range, Andes,
Okay.
because
Okay. Yes.
the famous place in Chile is a famous place there that
Okay.
you go on the mountain.
Yeah. Yeah, they have it's such a this is a very long and
There
diverse
is a,
place too. Look at that. Look at that. There's a park here, reserve Los Flamencos, a national park.
and
Copiapó,
then,
Viña del Mar, there's Santiago, the capital right there,
yes, exactly, Santiago. It's
Concepcion, and then yeah, there's like because it's basically that mountain range is what the border between Chile and Argentina. What's
yes.
wrong? Yeah,
Did you hear about Attack Desert?
yes, the Atape Desert, yes.
I think you heard as well that is the driest desert in the world.
That's that's interesting. You wouldn't think it. You would think that it would be more like in Africa. You think that the Sahara would be worse.
There is two difference between the Africa and the attack desert, desert attack, because we have a dry. I think it's dry or hottest
Mm,
between both them. I think in Attack Desert, it's
mhm.
more hottest than another one.
Yeah, it would have to be in the north. Let's look up here. Yeah, it would have to be in the north because as you get further south, it would get colder. It would be
In
much
the
more.
day, it's hotter. In the night, it's colder,
Yes,
more
yes,
than others.
yes, 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 yes.
I
I
would like
see.
to go. I would like to go there as well.
That's
My dream. It's
that's
my
cool.
dream to go forward.
That is very cool. I like meeting other geography nerds.
Oh, that's, do you know Brazil?
I've never been, but I would love to go one day.
So my invite to you to come to Brazil and visit us.
Okay. I'm down with that, and we get a couple $1,000 together and then could do that.
Now you can see my souvenirs over here
Oh,
from Madame Tussauds in England.
okay.
I bought this one in what in Ireland, but oh, I forget the name.
Okay.
North of Ireland.
Northern Ireland? Mhm.
Yes. This one in France.
Ah, the Eiffel Tower.
This one in Rome.
Oh,
This one in London.
okay.
This one in Scotland.
Scotland.
This one in Turkey.
Oh, look at that.
And this one is my favorite one. I bought in Norway. It's a
On the
Viking.
longboat.
Yes, I went to the bike museum, and it was amazing when I went. I getting into the real boat. Oh my God, it's amazing.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool.
This one is from Italy, Catania.
Oh, got the okay.
You know the Etna Vulcan?
No.
Etna, let's see here.
Give me the word. I might know it.
Vulcan, Etna Vulcan.
Uh,
It's the high, I think it's the highest volcano in the Europe, in eruption.
oh.
It's
Oh,
still working.
okay. Yes. Okay. A volcano.
Volcano, yeah.
I didn't understand. Okay. All right. Yes. A volcano. Okay.
Catania.
Okay. In Catalonia. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. That's serious.
And then this one is from where I live for about 2 years from Dublin.
Dublin. Okay. That's
And
cool.
it's amazing. Another ones, and
Mhm.
I don't know where is it, but
Okay. That's cool. Yeah. I went to Madrid once. And if it was it's like 20 odd years ago. I was into London and then Madrid, just for a quick trip over spring break. And it was nice. Did you go to the Prado?
yeah.
Museo del Prado? That's such a beautiful place.
How many places do you know?
Not a whole lot. I know more inside my country, and I haven't gotten to travel outside the country anywhere near as much as I would like. I went to London. I saw the Phantom of the Opera on London's version of Broadway, which is pretty cool. And
Right.
went to Madrid. We went to the Prado. We went to this monastery that was outside of the city. We went to the palace grounds and the gardens for the palace. It was
Oh,
beautiful,
cool.
beautiful.
So
Yeah,
do you know Brooklyn in the United States?
yeah. Mhm.
Oh, when I was young, I watched TVs and all movies. They put Brooklyn, and it is in my heart to go one day. And that is one movie as well.
Yes.
Called it's not a movie, but it's a series that they they called Everybody Hates Chris.
Oh, yeah, that's a great show.
It still works
It's
on TV.
syndicated. He doesn't make any new ones. It's syndicated. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
they are here in Brazil. Still they are active in TVs, Brazilian TVs.
Mhm.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah. I mean, they play the reruns are on, like, on some of the cable channels. I mean, it's not in the prime time television, but, people watch it on, like, on cable channels, and they wanna watch, older stuff, on and it's a funny show. It's just a great show. It was
Yeah.
very clever.
So, what's the news about COVID-19 there?
Too many stupid people and too many people that just don't trust the government, and I understand why, between the government and big pharma.
Yeah,
It's just like, all it is a money making it's not it's more than just a money making scheme. It happens to make a ton, like metric tons of money. But the problem is just that, I mean, we do need it. It does work. The science is good, but the problem is that too many people are just so mistrustful that it's not getting taken up anywhere near as much as it should be. And
yeah,
so we're getting hit hard again. And I knew this was going to happen, and people are just selfish. Well, some people are. But anyway, we have less than 10 seconds to go. I wanted to say thank you. It was a real pleasure to meet another geography nerd here, and it was fun to roam on the map with you, and I hope you have a great night.
I like it. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.